Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best concrete cutting saws for smooth, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Evolution Disccu T1, 12, disc concrete cutting saw. If you are searching for a concrete cutting saw for the value pack, this is yours. From the Evolution series, Disccu T1 enables to cut off of every concrete block to the depth of 4, with a 12 diamond disc. The maintenance-free allows you to use it with maximum comfort. That's why it headed first in our concrete cutter listing. Even the toughest material like stones and paving, instead of the supplied diamond disc, should have ripped by the electric disc cutter. But if you need to have a safe and economical cut, use another petrol-powered, the same length disc cutter. Whether you can integrate it to the basic 15 amp high-torque engine, having a burr-free progressive cut, featuring a safe blade guard ensures to have an ergonomic soft grip. Whether you need to handle your cutter from the mid, rear, and front position within a second, with its built-in adjustable and spindle lock system. Also, the 2 system helps to window installation and pool renovation by balancing both vertical and horizontal positions. An easily manageable process is a big advantage of this concrete saw. This saw is ideal of window installation, pool renovations, and landscape maintenance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita 4100 kilobytes, 5, dry masonry saw, with dust extraction. The Makita 4100 kilobytes by Makita is an electric-powered, medium walk behind a concrete saw. The 13 amp beast engine delivers 12,000 RPM, for the most robust materials cutting like concrete driveways and slate tiles. Besides, it is a pretty dry masonry saw, known for its high-depth rip capacity at 90 degrees angle up to 1-9/16. Featuring transparent blade guard accepts contours blade speed, by the increasing versatility in accurate radius cutting applications. Even an alternative guide rail adapter, number 198673-2, is free to control your saw with a rail guide. As well as an integrated upper dust port, collects and extracts dust to work in transparency. Also, capable of swiveling up to 360 degrees by the dust-protected trigger, cooperates in continuous operation. An inbuilt lock-off button is for user maintenance like the dust protector does. A large rubberized gauge lever helps easy adjustment by a top hand holder. A double insulated 8.2 feet power cord will assist in continuous operations. You may grant it to use with water like a wet saw. At number 3, we have the XtremepowerUS 2600W, electric 14, disc concrete cutting saw. Recent worth for money, wet, dry cutting solution as a circular saw for robust concretes. Also, those who have less interest in lightweight concrete cutting saw should check out this one of 30 pounds handheld ABS plastic ones. The 15 amp torque motor enables superior power to cut at 4,300 RPM with a 14 disc, through granite, stone materials and porcelain at ease. An exceptional anti-vibration mechanism assists much more in maximized productivity. Even in the case of the fastest and safer cutting job, the 2-fold protection switch prevents accidental opening and increases your blade's lifespan and performance as well. Featuring a dual integrated dust collector means extracting both wet and dry dust out of a job at the same time. It keeps your cutting surface neat and clean all the time, to have a transparent view of the chopping line to avoid any unnecessary damages. Even its metal guard design keeps you safe from the sparks while operating as well. At number 2, we have the SKILSA WSPT7900, 7, concrete cutting saw. Worth its name to suggest a narrower and longer depth rip capacity of 2, at particular 90 degrees. Direct drive more than concrete. The Medusa, in tight spaces with an electric dual-field 15 amp engine, since it is a corded machine, comes standard with the GFCI cord. This 7 steel-made worm drive saw scores and conquers concrete as a lightweight one than ever manufactured by SKIL. This best-in-class concrete cutting saw features a plunge lock, which is always in ready-to-cut mode. Also, the inbuilt pivoting pointer ensures convenient maintenance for users and allows perfect and precision cuts of your rigid materials. The simple dual dust management system not only frees up the cutting line but provides a clear view also. However, you can use it in particular dust extraction. Before wet cuts, connect the water feed hose pipe. Then, control the water flow with the attached valve. On the other hand, dry cuts need only a dual-sized vacuum to attach to the site job's vac. And finally at number 1, we have the Makita EK7651H, 14-inch, 4-stroke power cutter. We are expanding our listing from Makita EK7651H, a lineup of concrete solutions. This concrete cutting saw uses the most modern 4-stroke engine instead of other gas-powered saws' 2-stroke engines. As a host, the engine cannot get hotter by the gasoline it is consuming inside. In general, 2-stroke gas-powered engines sometimes get burnt by the 50-to-1 gas fuel and mixture from the beginning. Unlike such type, this 4-stroke machine does not need a ready-to-fuel mixture because it consumes only gas during operations. So, neither your saw engine causes accidents, nor will you have unnecessary injuries. A pressure-compensated carburetor delivers instant fuel. If you are worried about fuel flooding or during a cold start, the attached vented choke plate will not allow it. If we think of the motor durability, an attached 3-ring piston is engineered only for this. Because the piston not only reduces exhaustion but increases its performance within its entire life with the help of a built-in carbon cylinder. A 14 inches commercial power cutter makes it the best in class for using it in a wide variety of professional and ideal concrete cutting applications. Integrated wheels reduce fatigue during rigid and long straight cuts. Also, it prevents unexpected movements during operations as well. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.